Today, I will show you how to pay your Meralco bill using Shopeepay. From home page, click Load and Bills. Next, Electricity. From here, select Postpaid. This is for prepaid Meralco. Don't forget to claim your voucher to earn cashback. Select Meralco. Enter your account number and amount to pay. Click Continue to proceed. Now choose available voucher for this payment. Select the highest voucher offer. Then after selecting voucher, click OK. You can also redeem your coins for additional discount. Select Shopeepay for your payment. Next, Pay Now. Payment processing now. You can use your fingerprint authentication or code when using Shopeepay. How to claim your cashback coins. Back to home page. Click Load and Bills. And then click Orders. From here, click to receive. And then order received. Lastly, collect it now. We're done. Thanks for watching.